Friday, St. Patrick's Day edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here with you. There's a look during the 5 o'clock hour from our Greensboro Tower camera. It is another quiet and cold morning underway. We take a peek at the Dowd YMCA camera in uptown Charlotte. Same deal, clear and cold. One final hard freeze underway across the region, 28. Right now in Charlotte, there's your highs yesterday across the region, 50 in Raleigh and Wilmington, 55, the high in Columbia. So still a cool day, but certainly warmer than what we had back on Wednesday. Mostly mid to upper 40s around the Triad viewing area yesterday afternoon, around the Charlotte viewing area. Boone and Jefferson only 35. But then you got out through the foothills and the Piedmont, and it was mainly low 50s. And everybody will be warmer still today. Up in the mountains, there's a look at the Beach Mountain Parkway cam, 25 degrees there. If you want to head up to the mountains and do some skiing or some riding, it has been mid-season type of ski conditions this past several days. And there will be some rain rolling into the mountains this afternoon and tonight. But outside of that, it'll be a good weekend of skiing and riding if you have the chance to head up that way. One of the final full ski weekends of the season. Temperatures up there in the mountains, cold this morning, sub-freezing, some spots down into the teens. And we even have a couple of Piedmont spots in the upper teens again this morning, such as Reedsville. And then back into the foothills, too. Some spots in Wilkes and Surry County in the upper teens. So this cold air in place still, but it is retreating northeastward, being replaced by this much warmer air through the southern plains. That is what's heading our way and gradually taking over. Now, radar quiet for the time being. Some spotty showers through the Tennessee Valley, and then more extensive areas of rain and snow through parts of Illinois, Indiana, up into Wisconsin and Minnesota. Watch what happens here. The precipitation really blossoms nicely off to the west of us as we go through the day. That's the high-resolution modeling, and then that is into the mountains late this afternoon and beginning to head into the Piedmont, the northwest Piedmont at least by this evening. And as that cold front causing all of that continues to drop on in, we will have some scattered showers tonight into early tomorrow morning. Now, this is around daybreak tomorrow, some scattered showers around. By tomorrow afternoon, we're back into the sunshine. And this is not looking like a big rain event. There's the Futurecast rain totals, rather underwhelming overall. GFS, again, not a huge rain event, but that's what it's showing. And then the European model, relatively light as well. I think for the I-85 corridor and the foothills over toward, even over toward I-95, most of it's probably a quarter inch or less in the rain bucket with this system. Sunshine builds in behind the cold front and the I-85 corridor tomorrow afternoon, highs well into the 60s. And then Sunday, it's full sunshine for most of the region. There's our Sunday highs, a little bit cooler, but by Monday, we see those temperatures beginning to moderate once again. In the upper levels, there's the 500 millibar chart from the European Valid today. We then go out to tomorrow, Saturday afternoon. There's the next big trough moving in. And then we wait the arrival of the next storm system. All right, here's the GFS for this afternoon. Here we are around daybreak tomorrow. The shower opportunities moving in. And then as we get into early tomorrow afternoon, those showers exiting off to the southeast. Beyond that, it's pretty quiet until Tuesday. There's the next round of some shower chances on Tuesday. Much warmer as we get into Monday and Tuesday as well. And then we wait the next system after that. GFS brings some shower chances in Friday. It's a couple of days slower on the European as a big low pressure tries to work out of the Rockies and move in our direction. So sometime late next week, the next system arrives. And it, at this point, looks warm enough that it will be a liquid precipitation event. All right, that is it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Have a great weekend, and God bless.